Welcome to Emmelac online tutorial. Before us is this great question in set. It looks too cumbersome, but we can solve it. Alright, now follow me as we sort out this set problem. And it says a survey of 2,000 people regarding their choice of cars. 300 say Peugeot only, 500 says Toyota only, 450 says Datsun only, 200 say Peugeot and Toyota, 180 say Peugeot and Datsun, and 250 says Toyota and Datsun. If 420 say none of these cars, draw a Venn diagram to illustrate this information. Hence, find the number of people that like the three types of cars. How many people like at least one of these cars? And finally, how many people like both Toyota and Datsun? Now, first of all, what we need to do here now is to ensure that you write out every parameters in this question. Now with this, now you can move further to solve the problem. Now from the information, we know that the number of universal element here is 2,000. Okay, now 300 love Peugeot only, which means that the number of P intersection T prime intersection D prime or complement equals 300, which means this number of persons like only Peugeot outside this. Now for Toyota, here we have the number here for Toyota, that is T. See the same thing, P prime intersection D prime equals 500. Okay, and for Datsun only, that will be number of D intersection P prime intersection T prime will give us 450. Okay, so 200 says Toyota, so number of P intersection T will give us 200. The number of Peugeot and Datsun, that will be P intersection D equals 180. Which one again? Okay, the number of Toyota and Datsun, that will be number of T intersection D will give us 250. Now if 420 says none of this, which means intersection P union T union D all prime will give us 420. Now the question now says so N intersection P intersection T intersection D, which means find the number of people that likes the three type of cars, which is this. So 420 doesn't even like all this. Alright, now with this information we'll get started to solving this. Alright, so we're using the Venn diagram here. We have three sets. I hope this one will be big enough. Okay, I guess Will this one be big enough? Okay, let me clean and make it more bigger. Okay, so now here is for the Peugeot, here is for the Toyota, and here is for the Datsun. Okay, now for Peugeot only, say here we have 300. Now for Toyota only we have 500 here. Now for Datsun only we have 450 here. Okay, now this X intersection for the three of them, this is it here. Now here for P intersection T is 200. Now which means here that this and this, which means the whole of this here, the whole of this is 200. That is P intersection what T is 200. Now but out of it here we have X, so the remaining part here will now be 200 minus X. Okay, now the same follows for P intersection D. P intersection D here, that will be 180 minus X, and here we have T intersection D, we have 250, that will be 250 here minus X. Okay, now what we just need to do now is the total here is 2000. Alright, what we just need to do now is to add everything together equal to 2000 for us to get our X. So let's get started. This is okay, for simplicity, so let us just add this plus this plus this. Let us say 300 plus 500 plus 450. Now this will give us this 800 plus 450. Now this will give us this 0, then 5, 8 plus 4, that will give us 12, so 1200. Okay, now let us add this. So here you have 200 minus X plus X, okay, plus 250 minus X plus 180 minus X. Okay, so this we cancel this, so we are left with this 200 plus 250, then plus 180 minus X, so this will give us 450. Okay, let me here we have 450, okay, plus 180 minus X. Now this plus this, 0 plus 0, this will be 0. Now 5 plus 8, that will be 13. We write 3 remainder 1. 4 plus 1 will be 5 plus 1, then 6. Now this plus this, oh sorry, okay, this is many minus X here, so here we have what, minus 2X. Okay, now plus 1250 equals 2000. Alright, to this effect, let's add this together. That will be 630 plus 1250. 0 plus 0, here you have 0. Now 3 plus 5, here we have 8. Now 6 plus 2, here we have 8 and 1. Now minus 2X, then equals 2000. Alright, so let's also continue. Okay, so that's okay. Here we are having this here you have 420 here. So here we have 420 plus 1880 minus 2s plus equals to 2000. So this plus this should give us 2300 minus 2x equals to 2000. Now this in a nutshell will give us transposing this over to the right hand side. Here we have 2300 minus 2000 equals 2x. So here we have 300 equals to 250. So here we're dividing both sides by 2. So our x here will now be 2 here 1, 2 here 150. Okay. So from here we'll now be ascertained that x here is 150. Now from here, let us now reshuffle this. Here we have 150. Now from here 200 minus 150 here we have 50. Now 200 minus 150 here we have 100, and 180 minus 150 here we have what? 30. All right, let me quickly clean this. Okay, so from here now we are also asked to look for the number of people that love at least 2 of these cars. Now from here we can ascertain that at least 2 of the cars, which is this plus this plus this plus this. So here we have 50 now plus 150, which is this. That 50 who loves Peugeot and Toyota, then 150 that loves the 3 of them, then plus 30 that loves Peugeot and Datsun, plus 100 that loves Toyota and Datsun. So this will now give us this 200, 300 plus 30 will give us what? 330 people. All right, and we also told that those that like Toyota and Datsun, both that love Toyota and Datsun. So here we have is 100. So P D transaction T here will now give us okay, sorry. So D and T, that'll be people that like Toyota and Datsun will now give us 100. All right, this is the solution to the said set questions. All right, if you love this video, please kindly share it, and if you are new to my channel, subscribe and ensure that you click on the notification button to be notified of every video that I'll be uploading, both in physics, chemistry and maths. Thank you and God bless you.